Did you know that building wealth doesn't require a genius intellect? And that you can start the habits that lead to creating a prosperous future in just 1 week? In this video, we'll be mapping out 10 money habits inspired by Warren Buffett's philosophy and lifestyle. By now, you've likely seen plenty of videos with lists of what keeps you broke and poor. Today, we're taking you to the next step by sharing positive habits instead of negative habits and giving you specific practical ways to apply each of these habits this week. Hey guys, it's John. Welcome back to Money Maps, where it's our job to help you chart your financial success with expert guidance and practical steps from the best minds in money. Warren Buffett once said, "Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." Today, we're helping you plant your own financial tree. Get ready to discover simple yet powerful habits inspired by the Oracle of Omaha that will set you on the path to financial success. Let's dive in. Number 1, living within your means. Buffett is known for his frugal lifestyle. He advises, if you buy things you do not need, soon you will have to sell things you need. Many people fall into the trap of spending more than they earn, often using credit cards and loans to finance their lifestyles. Buffett once said, "The chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken." To live within your means, consider these 3 approaches. A. Track monthly income and expenses. In the old days, this meant tedious work by hand. With technology today, you can do this automatically with websites like Mint or Personal Capital. See links in the description. B. Reduce debt. Pay off high-interest debt as quickly as possible and avoid accumulating new debt. C. Embrace frugality. Find ways to save on everyday expenses, such as buying in bulk, cooking at home, and shopping during sales. Number 2, saving and investing. Now that you are living within your means, start saving and investing those extra dollars. To save and invest like Warren Buffett, try these 3 strategies. A. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck to a separate savings account or investment account. This helps make saving a priority and ensures you're consistently building wealth. B. Invest in low-cost index funds. Follow Buffett's advice by investing in low-cost diversified index funds, which provide exposure to a broad range of stocks, reducing risk and potentially delivering long-term gains. Number 3, avoid impulse buying. Impulse buying is a common habit that can lead to financial ruin. Instead of giving in to the temptation of impulse buying, practice delayed gratification. This practice will help you make better financial decisions and avoid unnecessary expenses. To curb impulse buying, try these tactics. A. Implement a 24-hour rule. Wait at least 24 hours before making a significant purchase, allowing yourself time to evaluate the necessity and value of the item. B. Unsubscribe from marketing emails. Reduce temptation by unsubscribing from marketing emails and limiting exposure to advertisements you see during the day. Number 4, focusing on long-term gains. Buffett advises, our favorite holding period is forever. He emphasizes the importance of patience. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Many people, however, focus on short-term gains, chasing quick profits in the stock market, or engaging in speculative investments. This approach can lead to substantial losses and poor financial decisions. To cultivate a long-term mindset, focus on building wealth gradually, invest in quality assets, and avoid get-rich-quick schemes. To develop a long-term mindset, consider these steps. A. Buy low-cost index funds, or consider automated investing that rebalances and manages your investments for you, either through a financial advisor or a robo-investor like Wealthfront or M1. Comment if you'd like me to make a video about how I set my M1 account to automatically follow Warren Buffett's investment portfolio and buy his same allocations. B. Avoid market timing. Rather than trying to predict market movements, consistently invest in the market and maintain a diversified portfolio focusing on long-term growth. This is commonly known as dollar cost averaging. 5. Pursuing financial education. Ignorance can lead to poor money management and limited financial growth. Warren Buffett is a lifelong learner, emphasizing the importance of learning from yourself and from others, saying, "It's good to learn from your mistakes. It's better to learn from other people's mistakes." To improve your financial education, follow these steps. A. Read widely. With the internet, it's easier than ever to read articles and blogs on personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies. Don't be afraid to read a physical book every once in a while, too. B. Subscribe to channels like ours to mix some financial education in with your YouTube time. Number 6. Building an emergency fund. Buffett also emphasizes the importance of being prepared, stating, "In the business world, the rear-view mirror is always clearer than the windshield." Ensure you have at least 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible, low-risk account to be better prepared for financial emergencies. By doing so, you can avoid falling into debt or making hasty decisions in times of crisis. To establish a robust emergency fund, consider these suggestions. A. Save a specific percentage of your income until you have enough to cover at least 6 months' worth of living expenses. B. Use windfalls wisely. Allocate unexpected income, such as tax refunds or work bonuses, to your emergency fund. C. Keep your emergency fund accessible. Store your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account or a short-term bond fund, ensuring it remains liquid and easily accessible when needed. Number 7. Diversify your investments. Diversification is key to Buffett's investment philosophy. He says, "Never put all your eggs in one basket." Many people invest heavily in single stocks or sectors, exposing themselves to unnecessary risk. Failing to diversify your investments can lead to significant losses and hinder your ability to build wealth. To diversify your investments, follow these strategies. A. Invest in different asset classes. Allocate funds across various asset classes, including stocks, bonds, and real estate, to reduce risk and create a balanced portfolio. B. Diversify within stocks and bonds. Again, this is most easily done through a financial advisor or a robo-investor like Wealthfront or M1. C. Rebalance your portfolio regularly. Periodically review your investments and adjust your allocations to maintain your desired level of diversification and risk tolerance. Number 8. Set up and keep long-term financial goals. Buffett emphasizes the importance of goals, stating, "An idiot with a plan can beat a genius without a plan." Many people do not set specific financial objectives, leaving them without a roadmap for achieving financial success. This lack of direction can result in aimless spending and investing. On this channel, we are all about mapping out your finances, and we work hard to bring you new maps and videos each week. To establish and work towards long-term financial goals, consider these tips. A. Write down your goals. Clearly define your financial objectives, breaking them down into short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals. B. Monitor your progress. Regularly review your financial plan and track your progress, making adjustments as needed to stay on track. Use software like some of the options linked below to make this automatic. Number 9. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As people's incomes increase, they often succumb to lifestyle inflation, spending more on luxury items and experiences rather than investing in their financial futures. Buffett, despite his vast wealth, still lives in the same modest home he purchased in 1958. To prevent lifestyle inflation, follow these guidelines. A. Prioritize financial goals. Continue to prioritize your long-term financial goals even as your income increases. This is easier if you've done Habit 8 and have goals written out. B. Maintain a modest lifestyle. Resist the urge to upgrade your lifestyle significantly as your income rises. Instead, focus on maintaining a comfortable but modest standard of living. C. Allocate raises strategically. When you receive a raise, allocate the additional income to your financial goals, such as increasing your savings or investment contributions. Number 10. Take calculated financial risks. While it is essential to be cautious with your finances, an irrational fear of financial risks can hold you back from making smart investments and building wealth. By carefully evaluating and understanding the risks associated with various investments, you can make informed decisions and take calculated risks to grow your wealth. Remember that not all risks are equal, and it is crucial to balance potential rewards with potential losses. To balance risk-taking and risk-averse behavior, consider these approaches. A. Assess your risk tolerance. Understand your personal risk tolerance and adjust your investment strategy accordingly, ensuring you can handle the potential ups and downs of your portfolio. B. Research potential investments. Thoroughly research and analyze potential investments to understand the associated risks and potential rewards. C. Diversify your portfolio. As mentioned earlier, diversification is key to managing risk. Ensure your portfolio is well balanced, reducing the impact of any single investment's poor performance. And that's our list. Which of these will you be implementing in the next 7 days? Comment with your ideas or suggestions. Thank you for watching. If you've liked these tips, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more expert guidance and practical steps from the best minds in money.